Today I'm showing you my new board, my new skateboard that I got. You see my old one back there on the wall. But yeah, this is my new one. It's a Goodwood. Just a normal skateboard. Camo. I have my old wheels, my old trucks. Had problems with my old bolts, so I had to get new ones. And it has black diamond grip tape. It's really thick. It's a cheaper version of Black Magic. No, some things. I barely even skated on it yet. I got it set up today. And my brother got one too. It's almost the same color, but it's a different color camo. And it has black wheels. And my cousin Daniel's on Fire 55 got a new one too. It's blue camo. His is blue camo. I'll tell him to make a video on his if anybody wants to see it. Yeah. He had to get new wheels the other day because he had rode on his ever since he got his first board, and they were like this small. So yeah. That's pretty much all I have for today.